Hey friends, I'm showing off these magnetic pop blocks. Now these were sent to me for my honest review. These are way cool. So these are, first off, they're little squares and they look just like those little like fidget pop toys, like the bubble wrap toys that you pop in and out. But what makes these really unique and cool is that they're magnetic. So they stick together and they come in all sorts of different colors and you can just stick them and stack them and you can just see, okay, so that's about the limit, is about 6, but you can get 5 on there and they just hold themselves together. Way, way cool. You can build all sorts of really fun things. So these are really great STEM toys just to get kids' imagination going, and they can just build all sorts of fun stuff. You can see, you can just keep adding onto these and they just keep going. So they have a really strong magnet. You can actually feel it pulling it. And then of course you can see how well these are holding up and how well they are standing. So crazy fun toy. This comes in a nice big package with lots of really bright, fun, colorful. I will show off some video of my kids playing with them, but they have really just had their imagination go wild and just really love them. And the little one, my littlest one especially, just loves how they just stick together and he can sit and pull them apart and he likes the effect of having them pull. So these are great for a wide variety age of kids, but these are absolutely really, really a great toy. Tons of fun. So you guys have tons of fun with this.